Are you struggling to find fun and effective ways to help kids manage their big emotions? Whether you're a PT, OT, or SLP, emotional regulation is one of the most important and sometimes most challenging parts of pediatric therapy. But here's the good news. Play is one of the most powerful tools we have to build regulation. Hi, I'm Stephanie, the PT, and together with Nicole, the OT, we are the Note Ninjas. We've worked with thousands of therapists, and one thing we know for sure is this. Kids learn best when engaged and having fun. So today we're sharing some of our favorite play-based activities that build emotional regulation while targeting of movement, sensory processing, and communication at all the same time. Let's jump in. Activity number 1, feelings freeze dance. Turn on music and have kids dance it out. When the music stops, call an emotion, happy, sad, angry, excited, and have the child act out that feeling with their body and face. PTs get movement and motor planning. OTs work on sensory and self-awareness. And SLPs target expressive language and vocabulary. This is a playful way to connect emotions with both movement and communication. Activity number 2, breathing buddies. Give each child a stuffed animal and have them lie down with it on their belly. Guide them through slow breaths as they watch the animal rise and fall. This can help teach body awareness and gives kids a concrete visual for self-regulation. Activity number 3, emotional charades. This one is always fun. Write different emotions on cards and have kids act them out while peers guess. OTs target imitation, SLPs target language and labeling, and PTs can adapt it to include big body movements for each feeling. It's fun, it builds social emotional awareness, and it encourages kids to recognize emotions in themselves and others. Activity number 4, obstacle course with emotional stations. Set up a simple motor course, crawling through a tunnel, jumping over a line, walking on a balance beam. At each station, place an emotional card. The child completes the motor task and then identifies or acts out the feeling. This ties gross motor challenges for PT with sensory motor integration for OT and communication skills for the SLP. It's one activity with lots of examples. Activity number 5, story time with feeling. Read a short story and pause to ask questions like, how do you think the character feels? Or what could they do to calm down? SLPs are targeting comprehension and expressive skills. OTs are focusing on social participation. Now, the key with all these activities is that they're playful, functional, and collaborative. You're not just telling a child to calm down. You're giving them tools, sensory input, and communication that they can use in real life, at home, in school, and in therapy. And if you're thinking, this all sounds great, but I need a clear framework to follow, we've got you covered. We created a free emotional regulation framework and visual self-regulation board you can start using right away. It's designed to give kids choices, help them identify their feelings, and guide them to calming strategies that actually work. You can grab it for free with the link in the description. And if you found these activities helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Note Ninjas for more innovative therapy ideas and documentation strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.